In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the VADP management interface on Chauffeur. Let's select some cameras on the Chauffer's homepage and go to the VADP package management page. Right here, I can see there are 5 different VADP modules installed to those selected cameras. When selecting one of the VADP modules, for example, the Stratocast, the camera list will be shown up. So I can know the Stratocast package is installed to which camera models. And the package status is off right now. I can select one or multiple cameras, hit on the setup button, then I can enable the Stratocast on those cameras. Moving on to the Trend Micro IoT security. Likewise, I can select one or multiple cameras and then turn on or turn off the package from those cameras. For this Trend Micro IoT, I can do furthermore configuration setups on Chauffeur. For example, I can switch the signature update mode between the auto update and manual update. And I can use the Chauffeur to uninstall the VADP package. For example, I'm gonna uninstall the Get Camera Info package from this selected camera. Alright, that's a very short demonstration for the VADP package management on Chauffeur. Thank you for your attention.